It's no secret that factories continually try to maximize productivity and eliminate unplanned downtime. On top of that, energy efficiency regulations continue to become more stringent. Gearbox and motor manufacturers have no choice but to evolve to these demands. What has STOBER done to help alleviate these issues? In this episode of STOBER's Power Tips, I'll highlight the benefits of the STOBER cLEAN system, our stainless steel motor and drive. First, the cLEAN system reduces unplanned downtime, especially when it was previously occurring due to premature failures of the component. The number one cause of premature failure for gearboxes is water ingress through the motor weep holes. When water enters the gearbox and motor connection area, it rusts the input pinion and bearing and damages the input seal, causing the unit to fail. This leads to expensive unplanned downtime, high replacement costs, and lost productivity. STOBER's cLEAN system has eliminated these problems by featuring an all stainless steel motor with 0 weep holes, double seals on the motor cover in all connection points, and an O-ring in the cable connection. This results in a completely enclosed solution. The cLEAN system is designed to E-Hedge standards and is IP69K compliant. When paired with our KSS stainless steel gearbox, the results is the world's toughest system. Second, the cLEAN system is IE5 level for energy efficiency. Heat kills. Inefficient motors run hot, which can shorten their running life. While most installed NEMA motors are rated IE2, current regulations for new motor installation call for IE3. But at STOBER, we go above and beyond. The new cLEAN system exceeds energy efficiency regulations, operating at an IE5 level of efficiency. This far exceeds the current base of installed motors in the US and exceeds future efficiency requirements. Not only does it save thousands of dollars in energy expenditures, the cLEAN system also provides a much more compact solution. Permanent magnet technology allows the cLEAN motor to produce equivalent horsepower of a traditional NEMA motor, while measuring 2/3 the size of competitors' motors. The cLEAN motor boasts the ultimate energy efficiency in a smaller envelope. Third, the cLEAN system is easy to install. The motor easily mates to the gearbox, and the drive can be programmed in a few minutes. This saves you valuable time and doesn't require a specialist for installation. The cLEAN system is compatible with Modbus, Profibus, EtherCAT, and Ethernet IP. You can use a network of your choice. Don't worry about long lead times. The STOBER cLEAN system is built and shipped in less than 1 week from our Maysville, Kentucky facility. Not only will you get it fast, but it's made to last. The cLEAN system is backed by a 3-year warranty on everything. This includes the gearbox, motor, drive, and cable. Durability, efficiency, and guaranteed to work in the harshest environments. Upgrade to the world's toughest system today. Want to learn more? Download our free guide now.